What's Mama got? Huh? What? Is this too much fun? What happened?
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness, that chair is right there. Oh, 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 what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Are you scooching under the chair?
You're going backwards, you're going right under the chair. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're gonna have to send in the rescue squad. Yeah. Let me pull you out of there. Oh dear. Can you get yourself out?